Hackathons are not just about building, they're about shipping clearly. A lot of teams do not lose because they failed to make something. They lose because the final story is scattered. The README is half finished, the demo is unclear, the judging criteria is easy to miss. Risks are hidden, assets are spread across folders, and nobody knows when to stop adding features and actually submit. Hackathon War Room is built for that exact moment. It is an AI-assisted creative command center for hackathon builders. It turns project state, challenge rules, judging criteria, risk signals, and asset readiness into a clean launch plan. This is the final dashboard. It is stylized as the Citadel-AI command deck, but underneath the visual polish is a deterministic local workflow. The dashboard gives a team a launch gate, a scorecard, judge lens, risk console, asset bay, and Microsoft IQ alignment. Copilot build proof, and a settings command drawer. At the top, the launch gate shows the project is ready to submit with a readiness score of 94 out of 100. That matters because the goal is not endless feature churn. The goal is knowing when the project is strong enough to freeze, record, and submit. The scorecard breaks readiness into the parts judges care about: rules fit, demo clarity, technical completeness, judge appeal, safety readiness, and asset polish. The risk console keeps remaining risks visible instead of letting them hide until submission day. Asset Bay turns the submission package into clickable proof. From here, a builder can jump straight to the README, judge packet, back to the dashboard, demo script, architecture notes, final checklist, and the Copilot build log. The point is simple. Stop hunting for final assets and put everything judges need within reach. The settings command drawer gives quick access to proof artifacts and submission documents without leaving the war room. This makes the dashboard more than just a screenshot. It becomes a lightweight launch console for final review. Now, I'll run the export command. This one command generates the judge packet, dashboard, launch packet, checklist, Copilot summary, and release manifest. The workflow is local first and deterministic, so judges can run it without private credentials or hidden cloud setup. The release manifest captures the project identity, track, Foundry IQ alignment, launch gate, quality signals, safety posture, generated artifacts, proof commands, and freeze guidance. To be clear, this project does not claim a live Microsoft Foundry deployment. It is a Foundry IQ aligned because it grounds recommendations in project context, challenge rules, judging criteria, artifact readiness, risk signals, and safety posture. It also keeps a deterministic local fallback for reliable judging. The final check, Hackathon War Room. Launch gate ready to submit. Here's your readiness score. Checks passed. And now the demo workflow. War room smoke, okay. The final check confirms that the release package is complete. The smoke test verifies the demo flow, export outputs, dashboard links, settings drawer, release manifest, and generated artifacts. This project is also synthetic data only. It does not require customer data, private repositories, production logs, credentials, tokens, or confidential material. The repro includes safety notes, a final checklist, and a secret scan workflow for submission hygiene. The same smoke workflow runs in GitHub Actions on push, giving judges a public reliability signal instead of just a local claim. Hackathon War Room is a creative app for builders who want to ship stronger projects, not just build more features. It helps teams turn chaos into a judge-ready launch packet. See what is missing, prove what is ready, and stop overbuilding before the deadline eats them alive. And the funny part is, this tool could help teams submit to the same hackathon it was built for.